nose is a sense organ that has three main functions. First, the nose helps us to breathe. It also moistens the air we breathe, which means it makes it slightly wet. Second, it helps us to identify the smells around us. It warns us about foul-smelling things and from danger. Third, it allows us to smell what we are eating. We enjoy the foods that smell good. Inside the nose, there are tiny hair called cilia. The cilia filter the air we breathe by trapping dust particles and other minute objects and keep them from entering our lungs. Do you know why we sneeze? We sneeze when the inside of our nose is irritated. When this happens, our nose sends a message to our brain. The brain sends a message to the muscles in our nose to sneeze.